This is going to be the bird's nest that Doug and John are pulling eggs out from in the intro. I've never made a nest, but birds make it look really easy, so it's probably pretty easy. What's inside these eggs?
What advice do you have for people who are looking to get into the grip business?
You should learn how to pull up snails from ponds.
Who wants to help me get the pots and pans on?
It's really all about respect. The thing is, you don't want someone calling you grip when you're key grip.
It's like totally joking.
Yeah, and if it's that angle, you can't tell that there's right thing. Then I can.
How would you rate yourself on your performance as a grip today?
Much better.
I think so far I'm feeling pretty good about everything I've done. I'm feeling like today is going to be pretty good.
Man, we're gonna need more than this.
Grip.
That's a perfect. Oh, that's gross. Nice. Wow. Yes. Spread it around. Spread it around. Quick. Yeah, that was thick. Yes! When are you getting like head-on shot of us where John's like, look at the beautiful plumage and everything?
That's later.
This is just us freaking out.
This is the opening shot where Doug awkwardly walks towards the camera and says, "Hi, welcome to Nature Walks with Doug and John," and then crouches down. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Call it the animal.
Like a bad camera work, zoom in. Indeed he has. Wait! Zoom out, and then you'll say,
What are all the lines? We don't know all. Do we have to get them all in one take?
Yep.
Alright, so I have some ho-hos. Where are the ho-hos? John and I have been observing the travel pattern of the snail very closely for the past 6.5 hours.
Well, they're kind of shielding the strip.
Ow! Ah, that slime is gross.
A little bit forward, just a tad. That's good.
look at the beautiful plumage. Oh, how it adorns him. It's very full for this time of week.
Doug and John stand up screaming and the fire's going to be encircling them. Doug's trying to put out the fire with his water. John picks up the Gatorade, throws it on Doug, and then we're standing there, and then Doug pulls out his cupcake, takes a bite, and the fire starts up again.
Well, I hope that turns out well. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Success! DougandJonShow.com!
There's a spider on the camera.